And this is Amara. She is my cousin. And yeah, she's not clear. I know I told you. We're gonna do this. It's chocolate piss, but we're not gonna do it right now. We're gonna show you all the frosting. And it comes with directions, of course. Directions. Is this this right thing? That's a chocolate pen. So, white icing, blue icing, brown icing, and there was pink icing, but we already used the pink. So, what are these? We could put them on Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, we should do that for Nana's birthday because it's Nana's birthday. Let's sing a happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Okay, so Amara is 8. And she is so grown up. And Dash and her brother Ben are up there playing. So let's just leave them be. But Ben's so cute, right, Amara? Yeah. You're like the Amara and sisters. You remind me of that, except you don't have blonde hair. And you're not as crazy as her. You're more happy child. A happy child. Ah! Look at the frosting. I ripped it. Do we have to rip the frosting? Maybe. I don't know. No, we're not going to open it down here. That would be like, oh, I have a good idea. Stay here and entertain the camera. Like it's the cool kids. You know how we do the cool kids? Well, hello. Today is Nana's birthday. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing to you? Okay. Now, as I was saying. Do the monster thing. Oopsie? Oopsie? There's a monster. Wait, I got it. There's a monster over there. Oopsie, oopsie. Ah. Hold me tight. Hold me tight.